principal has so far refused to provide the compensation.
So we want to still to waiting them don't say it.
Former residents are therefore calling on relevant authorities, including the Ministry of Lands and other stakeholders, to intervene and ensure that the school administration fulfills its promise. Meanwhile, the Sierra Leone Grammar School administration is yet to respond to the allegations, leaving affected residents uncertain of when or if the promise of compensation will be kept by the school. For SLBC, Kenema reporting.
Now let's meet Mohammed Jallo, an elderly man who has been in the craft of pot making since 1990s. Being in such a trade does not come with a smooth ride. He goes through orders just to make ends meet. Our intern reporter, Memunatu Conte, takes up the story. It's read in the studios by Esther Nene Kamara.
My side. I mean on this. This is not dirty.
Pot making is among the oldest form of traditional craft in Sierra Leone. Mohammed uses this skill as a means of survival over the years. He also provides all his family needs through it. Even with his techniques in crafting various designs and sizes of local pots, Mohammed experiences difficulties in getting the raw materials.
Then boy, the way they get around, we can buy 1 kilo, 20,000.
Getting the materials is not easy. We buy them at 20 leones per kilo from the boys, but we don't get the quantity that is needed. Meanwhile, the foreign nationals buy the raw materials at 30 leones and export to other countries, so they attract more customers than us.
India money, they buy 30,000, they buy 20,000. India money ain't going to do a customer because it needs money.
To make one pot, blacksmiths need a lot of sharp metals like old carpets or iron sheets from garages. Working with these raw materials comes with high risks, as he often processes the raw materials without proactive cares.
They use medicine and milk. Anytime a person they use.
The fire is not good for our health. It affects my lungs so much that I take syrup and pig milk every day after work in order to reduce the impact.
I know go that syrup with milk.
Despite these challenges, Mohammed does not give up, as there is no other way he can provide for his family except this trade. Although it takes
has the story. Abatui has the story.
Well, take off.
This is the 8th time the Surgeons in Action Foundation we are coming to provide free surgical services to patients as per their MOU with the Sierra Leone Police. They have been assisting the Sierra Leone Police Hospital with surgical machines and operations. According to Deputy Director of the Sierra Leone Police Medical Services, John Conte, they operated about 100 patients in March, and we are targeting about 200 patients in September. The Deputy Director commended the visitors for their help and gift to the Sierra Leone Police, especially the anesthesia machines worth over $40,000. Team lead, Surgeons in Action Foundation, thanked IGP and his team for their hospitality and promised to continue to help the SLP and the hospital.
I've been in Africa several times in different countries, and I think this is one of the best with the people in the hospital.
IGP William Fayaselu thanked the visitors and said since they started coming to Sierra Leone, the police hospital has transformed to not only a hospital but a teaching center and a healthcare facility for both the police and the community people.
The moment we started coming to our hospital came into focus. Now it's must go into a teaching hospital because of we have equipment in our hospital. They are not found in the government hospital. Now we have doctors.
At a high-level regional meeting held in Accra, Ghana, the executive director of the Sierra Leone Seed Certification Agency, Dr. Robert Chakanda, Slbc has been appointed as head of the ECOWAS Committee for the Regulation of Seeds and Plants in West Africa. The Slbc 10 plays a pivotal role in harmonizing and advancing the seed systems across all ECOWAS member states and the wider Sahel standards. This works directly underpins regional food security and agricultural productivity. Dr. Chakanda's appointment comes at a symbolic